Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to finish off part 2 of getting the suspension put in the front of this Lexus IS200.
What we didn't show when we were doing the front yesterday, or last week I should say, is we've cut this tab off here. Oh, it's actually that way. So we can put this plate on top. That allows for this to hook in and give us a bit more angle. And that side, if you take the camera over there, you'll be able to see how much more angle it gives us.
Yeah, plenty more here as you can see. It pushes the hub out about 20 mil. You know, obviously you can see also in there we got the right there, brand new tie rod ends.
The tie rod end on the to hold it is a 19mm spanner, just to hold it in here. You got a 22mm nut at the end, and it's just adjust to keep it straight or wherever you want it for your angle.
So these are off a GS400. It's like an Aristo style Lexus. They're a bit more beefier. The direct bolts on. We've also put them back to front, so the left on the right and the right on the left, so that helps us get maximum. The little kink on it, there's a little kink. That kink there gives it a bit of extra length, which helps with the adapter kit.
It's almost all back together. One more bolt for underneath. Some 12-13mm bolts up the top. I think these are 18 on the top, 19 on the bottom. This one here, the originals that have that what this plate does is push it out for the camber. These ones underneath are 17s, and I think this one for the top, that is a 19 as well. I think, yeah, that's a 19. So this goes up in here. On, you get your split pin nut in, it will tighten all the way up, and there'll be a hole that you line these slots in to put the pin in. I need to get another bolt for down here, and then we're pretty much good to put the brake disc back on, the brake pads or calipers on. And this side will pretty much be done.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, we'll get her roll and get her outside and see how she's sitting.
Yes. Oh, mate, I can't wait to get this engine in. You showed me the picture of the one that is on the IS200 page.
Group. Someone else is doing a similar swap, and the engine sits really far in, like almost fit two of them in the engine bay. So.
Yeah, quite literally. It like the engine like stops like back here. You got all this room for.
Yeah, well, it was good for cooling, right? Yeah, no heat soak.
Oof.
Good balance as well.
Hey, Eddie. Happy dog? Yeah, buddy. You do. Psst, psst. Yeah. All right, let's get this done, eh?
Keep going.
we're putting the new lights in for the boots.
Oh, the old ones are all painted over and plastic wasn't the best.
Disgusting. Like, you can see them over there actually on the bench. So right there, covered in paint. It's just terrible. Like, we could probably take some time to clean them up.
Yeah, sand them back
give them
and
the
whatnot.
spares and whatnot.
Yeah, I picked up those ones there for $20 in Marketplace.
Yeah.
So.
Awesome. Nice plug in, little 10mm bolt to undo them.
Yeah.
Right there.
Bulbs are good, so that's one more thing off the
And
list.
yeah, the bulb didn't even have to buy bulbs. They're still pretty good.
That's right, yeah.
What are we doing with the harnesses on the back?
So this didn't have any, so they were parted out, as you can see.
Yeah.
All through here, they're missing. So you've got the existing plug down there, where it plugs into,
Yep.
but nothing else.
Okay, and they get threaded through.
Yeah, so I picked these
So a
up.
hole.
So I picked one up.
Yep.
Yep, right there.
Perfect.
Bulbs are cactus, but
One for each side.
one for each side, yeah. Bulbs are cactus, but we'll put new bulbs in it.
Perfect.
Get it. They're looking pretty good, but again, I'm just test fitting it all now, because obviously when the body kit turns up, and
We'll have to come out.
it goes for paint, it'll be coming back out, so we can go get it painted.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll plonk these in now and see how they
Yeah.
look.
Right, yeah. Let's go.
My guess is let's go with that. Yeah, see? Right.
Oof.
Perfect.
In. Oops. Straight in. Nice and easy. Harnesses are very easy on this car, by the looks of things. Anna.
We'll just feed it through like that.
Yep.
Got the little rubber on the outside here, just to seal it off.
Nice.
Push that in.
Oof.
The other one was actually pretty straight. Other one went in much easier than this one. Yep, there you go.
Nice and sealed now.
All sealed up.
Straight down.
Straight through here.
Into the clip.
Plug it in. Yeah, just putting these tail lights in. Picked them up pretty cheap. These broken and stuff, but I'll use the plastic welding and we'll improvise. Get it fitted up.
Hell yeah. So if these are nice and brand new taillights, how much are they worth?
I mean, they range. I've seen them online from like $450 way up to like $800.
And how much you get these on for?
$150.
$150, mate. That's what you call a steal.
Got one broken tap and a couple of little marks. Yeah, I think
Couldn't hope for anything better.
yeah, street car, mate. They're in good condition. I'll buff them up. They look really good.
Yeah, 100%. Oh, let's have a... Or we'll have to roll this back out, you reckon? Give it a look.
All forward a little bit.
Yeah. Easy. All right. Done today. Suspension's complete. Some of the lights are in. How do you think we went?
Yeah, good. So this is obviously, like at the start of the video we mentioned, part 2. Last time I didn't get around to getting it all finished. We did get the front end all done this time, so the lock kit, both sides are done. Put all the arms in, trimmed off the dust plates. Just did a bit of the little mucking around the front, just got it all cleaned up. Had the bonnet, as you can see, we've tested the bonnet on now. Just to make sure it lines up with the guards at the top, which it does.
Yeah, it lines up nicely up here, but because the buckets aren't in on the front,
Yeah, once the headlight surrounds are in there.
I reckon it'll come out nice. Have the same gap that's up here. That's nice and neat.
You know, just gives it that a bit more complete look. Now with the bonnet, with the guards, the headlights are sort of just sitting there for the time being. Same thing. Obviously, once the bucket stays, the whole those in are in. Be mint. Because pretty much all we got to get for the left, like the outside, is obviously the body kit, which is coming. The front grille. We got everything else. So yeah, that's all sort of test fitted now. The next sort of thing we'll be doing a couple more little bits and pieces on it. So we get the surround ready, pull the surround out, get ready for manual, put some spaces in the clutch pedal, get that clutch pedal feeling nice. Gonna start reassembling the motor, put it back together.
Yeah, that thing over there. Look, zoom right in. Look at that thing. I hate the refresh rate of the light, but it is what it is.
So yeah, so that's another thing we're going to do obviously soon, because we're going to get the engine mounted in the car as soon as possible. Not too
100%.
obviously, not too worried about the alignment. Like there's got a bit of toe out in the front and toe at the back. But once it's all done, I'll send it to a shop. They'll professionally set it all up and get it all nice, ride height and whatnot.
But besides that, with that other build that you were talking about, what was the issue with the gearbox that you were saying? That it's we got to pull this out.
Putting in this, like the highest running gear, isn't in the perfect position for this car, so I need to either work out if we're going to run like a different R series gearbox from a Toyota with a remote shifter, which sits the shifter further back, or if we just make do with what we've got and just modify the tunnel and the console surround a little bit in there, make it all work.
So it'll come out more there. Is that right?
Yes. Well, the
Instead
shifter,
of where
the
that
shifter,
is.
we can modify the shifter. We can cut and shade it, make it come out the factory spot. But the gearbox will sit a little bit closer towards the car than where the factory one would.
Yeah.
But you know,
I mean,
it's trade off. The engine and box are much larger than a factory one, so it's like
100%.
very balanced.
I wouldn't be surprised if the car weighs less than 800 kilos once we're done, eh?
Yeah, a bit heavier than that. That was just sort of full interior and stuff.
Oh yeah, true. So, what do you reckon? What's the overall weight? Well, like, let's put a bet on this now.
I mean, if we can get it with the new motor with turbo and everything and make it weigh the same as a non-turbo version with the extra stuff on it, like it doesn't really make a difference the weight of this thing as it's going to be just
Yeah, fair enough.
killing tyres anyway.
That's true. What's an original? What's a non-turbo standard edition weigh? Do you know?
Nah, I have to look into it.
Okay.
Probably
Well,
about 1200 kilos, I guess.
1200, and you reckon you'll hit back another 1200 once we're done?
I mean, possibly. Like it's coming from auto manual, smaller motor. You know, obviously some...
We've already done a lot of weight reduction and
Yeah, pulled a lot of stuff off under the car we don't need.
So-
It'd be close. It'd be pretty close. Yeah, it'd be pretty
okay. Like and subscribe, all that good stuff.
Also, Jack Garage. You see the horsepower Lexus. We got some more patrol time for the content. More content home for the patrol as well.
Yeah, intercooler should be. I've got the intercooler. I just need to get some piping,
Intake upgrades as well. Yeah, just a bit more performance.
and that's about it. And then it's all cosmetics and whatnot after, like new
Yeah.
tray to get built. So hopefully his dad will be able to help us out with that one.
Yeah, we'll get that sorted. Also with this thing, you know, the engine net. Once that's all together, we will bolt it together, take it over to the paint shop, get it all painted.
Get some engine mounts made and chuck her in.
Box mount made, do that while it's over there as well. So we'll just get the last little bits ready to go for it.
Perfect.
And I think we've got another project in the background, like in the wings as well. Joxo's own drift car we've sort of got sitting around that we bring into the fold. And
Yeah, it's just not allowed to be here just yet due to situations.
we got a few things to do with it first before it makes its way over. But
Yeah. In other words, I've got to try and get it running.
it doesn't run just yet, but it's something like all. You'll see anyway. You'll see it all on the channel.
See you very soon.
And we'll make sure we bring it all to you guys.
Easy. Okay, get ya.
Not too late.